Remedy was started by Sarah and Emmett Condon on their kitchen bench 11 years ago. Since then, we have grown extremely fast. We outgrew 5 factories before moving into this purpose-built 18,000 square metre facility. We started as a kombucha company, but now we've also entered into healthy soft drinks and energy drinks. Today, we're the market leader. We're also sold internationally in the UK, US, Canada, and all throughout Asia. The rapid growth that we experienced meant that we needed reliable equipment. At times, we've been operating 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, with weekend overtime. And in those circumstances, you can't afford to stop.
The Matthews and Remedy story is a great story. We've been partnering for around about 8 years. We've helped support them with their implementation of new innovative technology onto their high-speed Crohn's packaging lines to help improve their line efficiencies to ensure they can manufacture the products reliably and consistently and deliver them to the market. So Matthews Australasia provide world-class market-leading coding and labelling technology from inkjet printing, laser coding, print and apply and traceability solutions. So we're providing the innovation, the technology to our customers to support their manufacturing processes.
We selected Matthews following a tender process. Their pricing was competitive, but what really made the decision easy for us was the fact that they were proposing a solution using their tried and tested iDSnet software, whereas others needed to build us a customized solution.
iDSnet's a real key differentiator for Matthews. This platform was developed in-house by our team of software engineers, helping connect all of our devices to a central HMI and helping connect the customer's ERP system. So ensuring there's full traceability and the packaging and the date codes are correct onto the individual items.
Matthews assisted us every step along the way of the scoping of our project, helping us understand retailer requirements and industry best practice, developing software process flows to ensure that they matched up with the physical movements that we will be doing, and post-implementation have helped us add in additional customer requirements.
At Remedy Drink's new manufacturing facility, they have a can line and a glass bottling line, and these two lines merge into a single pelletizing system. So Matthews' innovation and technology with iDSnet allows us to identify what product's coming from which production line and make sure we apply the correct SSCC label to that individual pellet so it's right for the dispatch.
To be honest, Matthews really understood what we needed better than we did and were able to propose a great solution for us.
At Matthews Australasia, we really focus on delivering predictable quality outcomes to our customers, certainly with the implementation into new production facilities or replacing aging equipment, but also being able to be there for our customers whenever they call, even during the business hours or after hours. Our mantra is to make sure we deliver our products on time, to budget and to spec.
We are able to meet all our customers' scanning needs, ensuring each case we sell is easily identifiable, enabling an efficient supply chain. For us at Remedy, Matthews are a reliable and trusted partner and our go-to for any coding and logistics labelling needs.